Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus and I'm here at 206 Knight Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and we're going to begin our walkthrough right in the living area. So the living area does house a hardwood flooring, and it also is accompanied by a fresh coat of paint. It looks great and very well done. It's got a wide open layout in here, so you have plenty of room for different furniture setups, along with lots of outlets for any kind of electronics, an entertainment system, TV, whatever you'd like to hook up in here. Got plenty of outlets to put it in different spots. Lots of windows in here too to let in lots of natural sunlight. And the last thing to note of the living area, you do have your front private entryway to the unit housed in here as well. All right. Flipping around, check out the kitchen area. So again, kitchen area also houses a wide open layout, plenty of space in here. You have, of course, right over there, the bar table, perfect space for some stools underneath. And it could obviously be used as a dining table in here. The kitchen area does house a tile flooring, as you can see. Again, a nice fresh coat of paint as well. Moving towards more of the kitchen appliances, you have plenty of kitchen cabinets around the sink area and stove for plenty of kitchen storage. A nice wide open countertop over here with some outlets for any kind of plugins you'd like to have. And all of the appliances are stainless steel. This includes the large size refrigerator. You also have the 4-burner gas stove and oven with the stainless steel exhaust fan up above. And of course, the stainless steel single bin sink. Fantastic. One thing to note with the kitchen area is you do have the glass sliding doors that lead out to this nice small private back deck over here. Just a nice additional feature to have to this unit. All right. Next, let's check out the first bedroom. So this bedroom, of course, is on the first floor. And as you can see, houses a carpet flooring throughout. Again, fresh coat of paint. Plenty of room for a standard, full, or maybe even queen size bed set, dependent on what you need. Standard or full would probably be best recommended. Lots of windows too in this room. And of course, right around the corner, you have your closet space for the bedroom. Awesome. Next up, we'll check out the bathroom, and then afterwards the second bedroom. So, bathroom's right around the corner. Houses a tile flooring in here. Again, you got a nice fresh coat of paint throughout this bathroom. Wide open mirror, and you got this wide open sink area as well. It's got a marble countertop, and you got some drawers underneath for some bathroom storage. Not only that, but you also have an additional closet space in the bathroom as well for even more storage in here. Perfect. And as you can see, you also have a full tub and shower housed in the corner. All right. So last but not least, let's check out the second bedroom. So second bedroom is in the corner over here. It's led downstairs to the basement floor. Perfect. So again, carpet flooring in this bedroom as well. You do have an entryway right there that leads to the shared basement area. And not only do you have this small closet space over here for some bedroom storage, but you also have a walk-in closet housed in this bedroom as well. Good amount of space for bedroom storage in here. All right. So once again, this is 206 Knight Street, Unit 1. Located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, though, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be posted there as well. Thank you.